A natural slug-repelling mix, a trick passed on to me by an old gardener. You can also use it as an eco-friendly fertilizer. I've been using it regularly since last season, and I have to say, the results are amazing. Slugs, especially the shellless ones, can do serious damage by chewing through leaves, stems, roots, and even flowers. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. The strong aroma keeps slugs away, and the caffeine it contains can actually affect their nervous system, making them avoid the area. Then add 3 tablespoons of sawdust. Its rough, uneven texture irritates the soft bodies of slugs and soaks up moisture from the soil, creating an environment they hate. Next, add 3 tablespoons of wood ash. It also dries out the soil surface and makes it even harder for slugs to move. Plus, it's rich in potassium and calcium, which naturally enrich the soil. Finally, crush 1 eggshell and add it to the mix. The sharp pieces act as a barrier and also release calcium into the soil, improving its structure and nourishing your plants. Stir everything thoroughly and sprinkle a thin layer around your garden beds. There's no need to overdo it. Just mark a clear line that slugs won't want to cross. This natural method is cheap, effective, and completely safe for your garden.